your Zoom. Okay, today we're going to learn about the difference between a simile and a metaphor. What is the difference between a simile and a metaphor? Well, a simile is a statement that compares two things using the words like or as, okay? And a metaphor is a statement that says one thing is another thing. Okay, so for an example, if I were to say you are a zoo or the class is a zoo, that would be a metaphor because I'm saying the class is another thing, which is the zoo. The class is a zoo. I'm saying that a class is a zoo. That is a metaphor. A metaphor is something that says one thing is another thing. Okay? An example of a simile would be the class is like a zoo. Or the class is acting like, the class is like a zoo. Okay? That would be a simile because a simile is comparing two things using the words like or as. One of those. Another example is you could say the cheetah, this is another example of a metaphor, the cheetah is a car. That would be an example of a metaphor because I'm saying that the cheetah is now a car. I'm saying that one thing is another thing. Cheetah is a car. An example of a simile would be the cheetah is running as fast as a car. I'm saying now that the cheetah, I'm comparing the cheetah to a car by saying it's running as fast as a car. As. I use as in that simile. Or I could say the cheetah is running like a car. Okay? So a simile is a sentence that compares two things by using the words, either word like or as, or, and a metaphor is a sentence that says one thing is another thing. Okay? Got it? So at home, read some books or come up with your own similes and metaphors and see how they're similes and metaphors. Remember, metaphor is something that says one thing is another thing, and a simile is something that compares two things by using the words like or as. So make your own similes and metaphors at home and read a book and see if you can find any similes and metaphors and know the differences between them. Okay? And yeah, sounds cool.